Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present for sale this red Suzuki Celerio SZ2. This car's only had one owner and is nil tax. Finished in this lovely red. As you can see, the interior provides good storage for front passengers. The interior is in excellent condition. This car comes with 2 keys. The Celerio is a 5-door. Provides good legroom for rear passengers. 3 seats with Isofix. The Celerio was voted What Car's Car of the Year for a car less than £10,000. I've had a really good look around this car. It's in excellent condition both inside and out. Any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki will come with 12 months MOT and a service before leaving.